Hello and welcome to today's webinar about some of the real-time solution and real-time support given to your customers with the help of a key feature that is live chat with BoldDesk. I'm Samina and I'll be showing you how live chat can transform customer support for small businesses like yours. So here is a quick look at what we'll be covering today. So first we'll talk about why customer support is more important than ever. Then we'll dive into BoldDesk's live chat features, and after that we'll show you a live demo of live chat feature in BoldDesk, and finally we'll wrap up with a Q&A session, so get your questions ready. So let's start with why customer support is so crucial today. So I know most of us know that 78% of customers expect a response within an hour. So this is quite fast and helpful. So all these fast and helpful responses can directly influence a buying decision. And the next reason is when customers feel heard and valued, they're more likely to return. So this is why customer support matters to your business a lot. So live chat also gives your customers an easy way and a non-intrusive way to reach out without the weight or any frustration of other channels. So I hope you understood why customer support matters a lot and why it is so crucial today. And now let's be honest, running a small business isn't easy. So because we have limited staffs, but there are unlimited customer expectation, and on the other case we have a phone support that's quite costlier and also hard to maintain for 24/7, and we also have some of the delayed emails. So these are the challenges which small businesses face, and those missed calls, they often turn into missed sales. So the pressure is real, and that's where live chat makes a difference. So here is why live chat is a game changer. So you can help multiple customers at once. No need to put anyone on hold. So this is the advantage. And another thing is replies are quick and efficient. And the most important part is when your customer is browsing, they view your website or they are reading your blog, and at some point if they find any difficulty in understanding the thing, so they can right away move to the live chat and ask for the questions or ask for the issue they are facing. So live chat will help them the most. Plus you can save time with pre-written responses to common questions, etc. So it's smart, simple, and gives your team more breathing room. So this is why we need live chat in our day-to-day life. And now let's look at the numbers that businesses using live chat reports around 40% more sales, 30% lower support cost, and 70% higher customer satisfaction. So that's not just better support, but it's a better business. So this is why we need live chat. And now BoldDesk Live Chat is built with small businesses in mind. So it's easy to set up. There is no technical know-how needed, and automated greetings and frequently asked questions are there to guide and engage the visitors right away, and it integrates seamlessly with your website. So BoldDesk Live Chat is quite smart and very useful for your business. And now let's show you how it all works. So we'll take you through a live demonstration of BoldDesk in action. So for that I'm going to log into BoldDesk as an agent. So this is the agent portal. On the left hand menu you can find an option called admin. Click onto it. So this admin center is where we do all those customization and configuration part. So under settings option we can find general. So in general we can see features. So here you have to enable this chat feature. So once you enable this chat feature, all those live chats and omni-channel features will be enabled so that you can have a smooth conversation with your customers. So now our chat module is enabled in the admin center. So even for chats, we have multiple features for customization and configuration. So today let's focus on live chat. So under channels, we can find live chat. So in order to create a new live chat widget, we can click add widget and it shows us the configuration page for it. So here it asks us to give a name to it. So once you have given name, select the brand and then you have to select the theme. So if you want, you can choose dark theme, or if light theme is appropriate, you can use it. So next to theme, we have file upload option. So here I'm going to select single file. So it helps the customer to attach the relevant document for their query or any complaint. So once you're done with this, next you have to enable this. So this feature allows the user to respond to a closed conversation. That is, it allows the customer to reopen the closed conversation. So if it is disabled, then the customer has to create a new or start a new conversation. So next to this, we have knowledge base. So enable this option. So live chat makes use of knowledge base. So for example, if any customer asks about the product details or services provided by the company, live chat will immediately fetch information from the knowledge base and provide relevant answer to them. So here you have to select the category. So if you leave it empty, then live chat will make use of all those categories present in your knowledge base. And if you want to select any particular category, you can select it. So let us leave it empty so that it uses all the category. And next to knowledge base, we have AI agents. So enable it. AI agent is an intelligent assistant that provides instant automated responses to common queries. So it also ensures 24/7 support and reduces the workload of the human agent. So this is how AI agent helps the human agents. And next to this, we have trusted domains. So let's talk about this later. So first, let's set up the entire widget and have a elaborate discussion about this. So next to general, we have widget customization. So this page is completely about the appearance of the widget. So the first thing is widget appearance. Here it asks us to give a banner heading, and next to banner heading you can give a description to it. So this is how it will be shown. And next to the description, we have widget color. You can change the brand color and action color according to your convenience. So if you want to change it to green, you can do it. So this is how it is viewed, and similarly you can do it for the action color also. So next to the widget color, we have logo. So if you want the logo to be visible, you can enable this option, else you can disable it. So next you can change the logo. So this is the logo of BoldDesk. So if you want to change it to your company's logo, you can do it accordingly. So for example, this is SyncFusion website, that is the parent company of BoldDesk. So here in their live chat, they have changed the logo to their company's logo. So this is how you change your logo. And next you have launcher appearance, so where you can customize the button type, text and position. So here you have three types of button, that is icon, with text button, and icon button. So I have selected the third one, and next to type you have text. So here you can give the text according to your convenience. And next is position. So whether you want the button to be on the right bottom or on the left bottom, you can select it wisely. So next to this you have feature settings. So in feature settings you have three features. So first one is notification sound. So if you enable this feature, all those conversation or any new message comes to the chat box, this feature will notify with a sound. And next is transcript emailing. That is, all those conversation happening in your live chat will be sent through email. So the transcript will be sent through email. And next is enable end chat. So the user can end their active chats or active conversation. So this is how you customize the widget. So next is the most important part, that is chat experience. So here you have two types of configuration, that is start chat configuration and away experience configuration. So first let's have a look at this. So this start chat configuration is where you do the initial conversation settings. So first you have to give a welcome message, and then you have to select either of this option. So that is initiate conversation without filling out a form. So in this option the customer can start a conversation just like that. So the next option is initiate a conversation upon email submission. That is, the customer has to submit their email address to start a conversation. So once the user submits their email address, they'll receive a confirmation message. So you can customize this confirmation message according to your convenience. And next to start chat configuration we have away experience configuration. So this away experience configuration is activated when the support agent or support team is offline. So to check whether the support agent is offline or online, you have to submit your business hours. So here you have to select your business hour, and then you have to give a banner description whether you're online or offline, etc. And then you have to give a away message that the support agent is not available at the moment. So next to the message you have to select the form support type. So if you select none, it will simply send a away message, or if you select contact form, it will ask for the essential details of the customers to know whether they reached out or not. So it asks for the name, email, phone number, subject, and the message from the customer. And once all these relevant informations are given and the customer clicks submit, these informations will be sent as a chat to the support agent. So the next option is contact form with ticket fields. So this is the same process. So the live chat will send a away message and it will ask for the details of the customer like name, email address, phone number, etc. Subject, description, all. So once they are given, if they click submit, these information will be saved as a ticket instead of saving it as a chat. So this is the difference between the contact form and contact form with ticket fields. So next to this you have file upload option again. So here you can select the type. So I'm going to select single file, so that when the customer is submitting their details, they can also attach the document. And next to file upload option you have button type, and once the customer clicks submit, they'll receive a confirmation message that their support agent is not available but their message has been received. So this is how you do this chat experience configuration. So once you're done with all these customization, click add to create the widget. Now our new widget is created and we received an embed code for it. So copy the code for further process. So now let's see whether it is created or not. Yes, so our widget is now created, and this widget will not be visible in your website or your portal because we have just created it, but we have not integrated in either of these portals. So for that you have two steps to do. So the first step is you have to copy the embed code and open your website code. So in your website page you can see that the live chat is not integrated, so the live chat is not visible here. So to make it visible, you can paste the embed code in your website code. So once you paste this, click run. So now you can see that the live chat is visible in your website. So this is how you integrate your live chat into your website. So now let's see how to integrate the live chat in your portal, that is your customer portal. So for that, in the help desk module, search for customer portal. So under settings option you can find customer portal. So in the customization, under advanced customization, add the custom JS code. So for this custom JS code you can ask the AI Copilot regarding the code. So the AI Copilot will find a relevant document which has the JS code. So it has provided the code. You can copy it and paste it here. So in the place of your domain, you can add your company's domain. And in the place of chat widget ID, you have to paste the embed code. So go to the live chat module and under your widget you can find the embed code. So this is your chat widget ID. Copy this and you can paste it here. So once you're done with this, click add to add the JS code. So now our custom JS code is updated. So let's check with the customer portal whether it works perfectly or not. So for that I'm going to log in as a customer using a different email address. So this is the customer portal. On the right bottom of the screen you can view the live chat. So this looks exactly the way we customized in the agent portal. So if you want, you can find for any article. So you have categories. You can view the articles published by the organization. And if you want to have a chat with the support agent or AI agent, you can click on to this option. So the first step is you have to enter the email address. And now click start chat. So it will give a welcome message. So now we received a welcome message, and let's ask a query in the live chat. So now the AI agent is going to reply to our message. So let's see how it does. So this is how it replied. Once you receive the reply message, you can see two options here. So if you find this message helpful, you can click that helped me. Or if you want more information and if you want to talk to the human agents, you can click talk to person. So this is how the conversation happens in the live chat from the customer portal. and this is how the AI agent tries to reply to the users. So now let's see how these messages are received by the support agent in the agent portal. For that, I'm going to log into agent portal again. So on the left hand menu, you can find chats option. Click onto it. Here you can view all the conversation happened in the live chat. So this is the conversation happened earlier, and now the support agent, the human agent, cannot have a conversation with the customer because if he tries to send a reply message, there appears a pop-up message that the reply cannot be sent because the conversation is being handled by the AI agent. That is, the user has not yet clicked talk to person. So unless he click talk to person, the human agent cannot have a conversation with the customers. So this is still handled by the AI agent. And now I'm going to click talk to person, and now the feature will be enabled. So here the support agent can send a reply message to them. So let's now send a message and click send. So now the reply message has been sent by the human agent. So this is how you have a conversation with the customers. So now next to conversation you have links. Here you can link the previously solved tickets. That is, if the support agent finds this conversation relevant to any previously solved tickets, they can simply link the ticket here. So like selecting any one of the ticket and click link. Now the ticket will be linked to this conversation, and the person who is assigned to solve this ticket can view the ticket and solve the issue quickly. Another option is create and link ticket. So here you can create a new ticket and also link the previously solved ticket here. So for that you have to select the brand, and then you have to select the requester, and then give subject, description, and fill all these relevant details. So once you are done with this, click create to create the ticket. So this is how the links work. And next to links is history. So the history shows the entire activity happened during the conversation. That is, when this conversation was initiated and when it was replied, etc. When we linked a ticket, unlinked a ticket, all those activities happening in this conversation will be mentioned here. So it also shows the timeline when it happened, etc. So next to history we have insights. So in insights you can see when the ticket initiated, that is when it is created, by whom it is created, and when the conversation update happened. All those details will be present here. So I hope you understood these features. And now let's see private note. So private note is nothing but an internal note that the support agent will communicate with other support agent for help or any relevant information. So these internal notes will be only visible to the agent to whom it is mentioned. So it won't be visible to any customers. And next to private note, on the right side you can see the entire details of the requesters, to whom this ticket assigned, and the status of the ticket, category, priority level, etc. And below to that you can see from where the customer arrived, that is from where the customer reached the support agent. So you can track the customer's details, etc. So I hope you understood how live chat works, how we communicate and have conversation with the customers. So you know that BoldDesk supports around 33 global languages. So BoldDesk has a multilingual feature. Even live chat can integrate all those 33 global languages in it. So for that, move to the admin center on the left hand menu. So here you can search for language. and under settings option you can find language. So now we are going to see how to translate the entire content of live chat into any one of the global language. So for that, if you want to add a new language, you can click add language and select any particular language to it and click add. So this is how you add a new language to it. And if you want to translate the content, click language translation and select the language to which you're going to translate. I'm going to select German. And once you're done with this, move to string resources. So here you have to enter the chat widget ID. So for that, again, let's move on to the chat module and copy the widget ID. So now I'm going to paste the widget ID here. And these are the default content which we are going to translate. So you can manually translate each default content by clicking here. So if you have a large amount of default content, you can export the data and open the file and translate all these default content to German. So once you save this document, click import and browse the file. So select the document which you're going to import. So click open and click import. Now all those contents are translated to German. So this is how you translate the content from one language to another language. So after changing the language, you have to add a language code in the custom JS code. So for that, again, search for customer portal. So under customization, in advanced customization, edit the custom JS code. So here you have to add a language code. Culture is equal to DE. DE is the language code for German. So if you're planning to translate to any other language, check with the language code and do accordingly. So now I have given the language code and click update to update the content. So now let's go to the customer portal and check whether the content is now translated or not. So it is not yet translated. So let's refresh the system and check whether we got the output. Yes. Now here we can see all the header, description and all the action buttons are translated to German. So this is how you translate the content from one language to another language in your customer portal. And even in the agent portal, you have an option to translate the language. So for that, click your profile and select view profile and settings. So here you have a language. So you can select any language you want and click update to translate the content to that particular language. So now our agent portal is completely translated to German. So this is how multilingual feature in BoldDesk helps people from other country who have different native languages. So I hope you understood how to integrate and set up a new live chat widget and how they work, how live chat helps the support agent and the customer to have a real-time and instant conversation between them. So thank you so much for joining us today. We trust this session has provided a valuable insight into how our BoldDesk live chat features can support the growth and the success of your business. So these are some of the fundamental features. BoldDesk has a lot more features in it, so stay tuned for our upcoming webinars where we'll be covering all those features individually. So if you have any question, feel free to ask us. Thank you.